If you've clicked on this video, this is your sign that you need to start that business. Now, a lot of you guys contemplate whether you should start a business or you contemplate whether you should do anything, and you waste time, and you don't actually end up doing anything. Well, this video is for guys like you who say they want to start an online business, but either make up excuses or you feel like it's not the right time. However, take today's video as a sign that you need to start that online business. Now, if you're new to the channel and wondering who I am, my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I used to work a 9-to-5 job in Argos, I used to work a 9-to-5 job in World Duty Free, and I used to work a 9-to-5 job in Sky. Now, Sky was my last job before I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, just move to Dubai, and which is where I am right now, as you can see. And yeah, just moved to Dubai. I had no savings, I had nothing going for me, I had literally no money, right? I just moved here in the hope that, you know, life is going to be better and I can start an online business, right? Now, I put myself in the deep end, and I'm not saying that you guys should do the same, but I'm trying to explain my story that I put myself in the deep end in the sense that because I had no money, because I had nothing going for me, I kind of had to make it work, right? Because you can imagine moving to Dubai with no money, it's not something that is sustainable because it's illegal to be homeless here. You kind of need money in Dubai because Dubai can be expensive and you need to make it work here. So I had to try and find a way. Now, initially I was looking for jobs. I didn't get any jobs. And that's when I started doing my online business, which completely changed my life. And now I make over 6 figures a year doing that, right? So the reason I'm at the stage where I'm at now, where I'm making money online, is because I took a risk in my life, right? And if I didn't take the risk, I know for a fact I'll still be working my 9-to-5 job right now. But because I took that risk, because I said, you know what, I'm going to start that online business, my whole life changed. And it just comes to the decision. Like I said, I'm going to start my online business straight away and I'm going to push it and work on it and try and scale it to new levels, right? And a lot of you guys sort of put things on the side. You're like, okay, cool, I'll start the online business when, you know, it makes sense for me. Or I'll start the online business when it's the perfect time. Or I will start the online business maybe when I've got a little bit more money, or maybe when I've got a little bit more time free. That's all broke people talk. Look, I'm gonna be straight up real with you. That is all broke people talk. Think about it for a second, right? Look at all the broke people in your life. Don't they say the same things? Don't they say, yeah, I'll start it tomorrow, or I'll start at the right time, or I'll start it when I've got a bit more money, or I'll start it when I've got, you know, more free time. But like, as I said to you, this is what broke people talk about. This is how broke people talk. And you'll notice when you start making money and you start making more and more money and you start meeting, you know, high level people, they start doing things straight away. They don't wait. They don't say, yeah, I'm gonna wait until this happens. I'm gonna wait until that happens. Literally every rich person I know, they do things straight away. And a lot of you guys don't. You just wait, you wait, and then by that time, nothing happens, right? You try analyzing things, or maybe if I start it like this, I'm gonna take my time. Nothing will change. If you don't start today, literally nothing will change. And I'm being honest, I know many people like this who just don't start and then nothing changes. So I'm asking you guys right now, take this video as a sign to start that online business, because what if it works out? Because I also know people that say, yeah, but what if I fail? Okay, cool. What if you fail, right? And by the way, you can never fail, right? And I'll explain later why you can't fail. But you know those people that say, yeah, but what if I fail? I'm not gonna start that business because what if I fail? Bro, what if you don't fail? What if you do it and it just works out and your whole life changed? Now, I am proof of this, by the way, because look where I am right now. I'm in Dubai. I've got a swimming pool in the balcony as well. So look, as you can see, got a swimming pool in the balcony. I'm literally gonna get like a projector set up here so then I can start watching like movies and stuff late night. And yeah, I had a projector earlier that I used and it looked really good. But yeah, I'm gonna get one for that. But as you can see, right? So yeah, it's crazy because I was working a 9-to-5 job not too long ago. And even in my 9-to-5 job, right, I used to not make that much money. And you know, I was doing my online business at the time, but I never really went full in at it. And that's why I wasn't able to go where I wanted to go and do what I wanted to do. And this is what I'm trying to say to you guys. What if it does work out? What if one day you're here in Dubai, just like I did, or have a swimming pool in your balcony, or get a villa, or move to a country of your choice, like whatever the case is, right? Imagine if it works out. Like how different would your life look? Now, if I was thinking like a lot of you guys, like, oh, what if I fail, blah, 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 before moving to Dubai, I would still be in the UK right now working a 9-to-5 job. I literally can guarantee that. And I've said this a lot in my videos. If I did not take that risk, if I did not try to do things, I would still be in the UK. Now, just a quick one before I continue the video. If you are looking to make money online, where I can scale you to 10K a month working with me on a 3-month program, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is we'll jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Now, guys, you need to start an online business, right? Because one, online business gives you location freedom. So I can work in Dubai, I can work in the UK, I can go to Saudi and work, I can go on holiday and work, right? I don't have to take time off. I don't have to take leave from my boss. I can do whatever I want. I've got freedom, right? Which is priceless, by the way. Secondly, an online business allows me to do things when I want, where I want, how I want, right? For example, if I don't want to work a certain day, I can choose to do that. Or if I don't want to work on Fridays, I can choose to do that. If I don't want to work on Sundays, I can choose to do that. If I don't want to work on Mondays, where obviously a lot of people will have to go to work, I can do that. Another example is I've got my family coming over, right? So I've got my family coming over in like a few weeks' time. Now, normally, if I'm working a 9-to-5 job, I can't actually see them, right? But because I can work for myself, well, I'll work around them. And not only that, I can take time off when I want. So if my parents are coming or my family's coming, I can see them. It's not a problem. And this is not something that would happen if I was working a 9-to-5 job. As you guys are aware, right? If you're watching this, you've probably got a 9-to-5 job. That when you have a 9-to-5 job, you can't do what it is that you want. And I'm sure you've had many times in your life where, I don't know, your friends are doing something or your family's doing something, but you can't be there because you have work. You need to find a way to make money outside of the matrix, because if you're going to keep making money from the matrix, you're literally not going to be able to do anything of your life. So that's why I'm making this video, because take this as a sign to start an online business, because it might just change your life. Now, you're probably wondering, what online business should you do, right? There's so many online businesses. There's drop shipping, there's affiliate marketing, there's YouTube, there's TikTok, there's so many different ways to make money online, right? But the best way to actually make money online is by having your own coaching program. Now, if you're wondering what a coaching program is, it's essentially you teaching your skills and knowledge to high-ticket clients. And the beauty of this business model is that one, is beginner friendly. Two, there's no really startup costs, right? Maybe a few dollars a month for software. And three, you can make money very quickly. Like if you start charging $2,000 or $3,000, well, you just need one client to make $2,000 or $3,000, right? Or you can charge $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, whatever it is that you want. And trust me, people do pay these prices. There's a lot of this misconception that, oh, who's going to pay me $5,000 or $4,000? It's absolute nonsense if you think that no one's going to pay you that, right? The second objection a lot of people have with this is that I don't have skills. Well, listen, I know 15-year-olds making money doing this, and everyone has a skill, because every one of my clients that have jumped on the call with me said the exact same thing, that they don't have a skill and they can't actually do this. Whereas when we've jumped on a call, we worked out, no, they have several skills actually, and that they didn't know that these skills were worth 10K a month or 20K a month. So it's the same thing. And I'll give you another example, right? There's a woman that's making 20 grand a month teaching people how to knit. Like, if that doesn't show that any skill will work, then I don't know what will. And the third excuse that people have is that, oh, I don't have time to start a business, and I don't have time to do this, or I'm just waiting for the right time. Well, stay broke then, because if you're not going to actually try and get out of your situation, nothing's going to change. You know, there's that famous saying that if nothing changes, nothing changes. This literally applies to you. So if you're not going to change, if you're not going to do something that's going to make you more money, then stay where you are. It's not a problem. However, if you do want to make a change, the best advice I can give you guys is to invest in yourself, right? Because at the end of the day, you're going to start a business completely blind, not knowing what you're going to do, and you're going to take time to build that business up and trying to get money from it, because you're not doing the right thing, right? And that's normal, because you've never done business before, or you've never done that type of business before. This is why I would say invest in yourself, because if you invest in yourself, you can learn from someone that's done it before. Now, if you guys need any help with this, where I can scale you to 10K a month, working with me on a 3-month program, then click the link in the description below, book in a call with me, and I'll show you guys how you can actually start printing money. But honestly, guys, take this as a sign that you need to start that online business. Take this video as a sign that if you don't change today, nothing is going to change. And don't just watch this and go about your day. Make sure you take action today. Now, if your mindset is letting you down, well, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.